There we go. What's up everybody? Justin Fio back with another video. Today is going to be an exciting one. We're actually meeting up with Retro Customs and we're going to be going to check out a couple of his trucks. I know he's got a single cab 6.7, a dually 6.7, and we're going to be checking out another YouTuber's truck which you guys probably saw on the internet somewhere, Whistlin Diesel's blue 6.7. So we should have a blast. If you haven't already, make sure to check out justinfio.com for any of the merch. And without wasting any more time, let's get right over there. So we're over here with Kevin at Retro Customs right now, looking around the shop a little bit. He's gonna be showing you guys what exactly, this shop's about. I know he does a bunch of headlights and different builds here, but so Kevin, if you wanted to go on a little bit about what you do over here.
Yeah, so my name's Kevin, I'm the owner of Retro Customs. Basically we specialize in building headlights, paint to match grills, manufacturing iPad in-dash kits for the Fords, paint to match emblems. We build a number of trucks here for mainly the Daytona truck meet. This one right here, we have a 97 OBS that we're building this year for the Daytona truck meet. Hopefully we'll get that done.
This looks crazy.
And,
you said these are 30s, right?
30s, yeah, 30s. We're gonna put these on the OBS for the show. We're gonna get this done for Daytona this year.
That'll be sweet.
But we also sell, aftermarket wheels, tires, accessories, performance accessories, anything for trucks we have.
So we're here at the Retro Customs compound with all the toys over here. But first, Kevin wanted to talk a little bit about, let's start off with this truck, this big dually right here.
All right, so we have a 2020 F450 Platinum. So this is our partnership company with Go Recon. The company's 4 builds. We're actually giving this truck away right now as we speak. Head over to 4builds.com to get some merch and you can win this 2020 F450 Platinum. We decked it out with full color matched, all blacked out, some 26 American Forces, some 37-inch Fury tires. And like I said, we got full color match. We painted the headlights inside, made it all in black. We got Go Recon cab lights, third brake light, hip lights. We did paint to match mirrors, paint to match emblems, and the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, for sure. This truck looks beautiful. So for any of you guys that want to have a chance to win this thing, I'll pull up the website, 4builds.com.
4builds.com, yep.
Go pick up some merch and get a chance to win this badass truck.
Drawing ends August 8th.
August 8th it ends. So for anyone watching this, go pick something up quick to have a chance for this. Moving over here to some of the other trucks. So, a lot of you guys have probably seen this truck somewhere on the internet already. This being, tell a little bit story behind this because you were the one that originally built this truck, correct?
Yeah, so this is a 2017 F350. Originally we purchased it brand new and it went to Any Level Lift in New York. That's when they put the Any Level Lift lift on. Then it came down to Florida in our shop, and that's when we did everything else as far as all the color matching, putting the Fusion bumpers on, all the interior, the full interior. It's
just pretty funny to see this from like Whistlin Diesel's channel and everything to be to be back over here seeing in person is pretty cool for sure.
So we completely gutted the inside of the cab, put all navy pier interior in it, all diamond stitch leather flooring, full audio sound system, full color match. Diamond stitched headliner.
Looks good. Did you just start breaking back into that since you've had it back, or that was already in there?
No, that was already in there. Yeah, that was all in there. We cleaned it up a little bit inside.
He still had what that say on there means nothing to me.
Yeah.
But actually seeing this now in person, you know, holy.
Took some abuse.
Oh yeah. From here we're gonna go out, probably get some rollers, go out, try to get some badass clips for you guys.
Crazy footage in the blue truck.
Yeah. Get some crazy stuff in this for you guys.
Oh shit, we're broke! Shattered that one. What about the front? Oh yeah. Shattered that one too.
So we're cruising in the truck now. And what were you saying is exactly done to this one?
So under the hood of this one, we got a big single turbo, dual fuelers, 30 over injectors. So this one's probably got a little more bang than the red truck. But when we pull the cab up in the air, we're probably gonna do a built transmission, maybe add triples, build the motor real good so we can add some more power.
Yeah, this thing.
Never enough power.
Never.
Here, let me.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I thought I was losing boost.
You're losing boost? So what's going on here?
No transmission fluid.
Oh, jeez.
Didn't go reverse.
Truck's not even going in reverse, but out here having a blast, that's for sure. There we go.
I got new ones of those. It took some abuse, but it still runs strong. Still kicking.
Just for your sake, you're playing with this thing. I know you're probably going to be speaking on it on your channel as well, but you plan on having some fun with the truck? Like,
yeah, so we have a brand new frame back there. We got brand new fenders. We got a brand new bumper from Fusion. Basically, we're going to lift the cab in the air. We're going to transfer the motor and transmission over to the new frame. We're probably going to build the motor up more, give it a little more horsepower. So we're going to put a whole new any level lift on it. And rebuild it after the Daytona show. It's gonna go to the Daytona show just like this. There's thousands of people that really want to see it just how it is.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave it how it is.
Definitely has some character.
And
So luckily, I mean, we really didn't break nothing crazy, you think, right?
we're good. Just a little overheating. Low oil pressure, or no oil pressure.
No tranny fluid.
No train fluid.
Just a good time.
And then after the Daytona show, we're gonna eventually rebuild the thing. And then what we plan on doing is we plan on giving both of these away, and the winner is going to be able to choose both.
That will be
whatever one they want to choose.
That will be awesome. So once he gets to, you know, back to rebuilding this truck and everything, I feel like that will be really cool to see. So if you want to actually check out his channel, Retro Customs is the channel, correct?
Correct, Retro Customs.
If you want to check that out to see some behind the scenes of all this stuff going on.
Yeah,
but
the full rebuild is going to be on the channel. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna post videos as much as we can as far as you know, the steps of rebuilding it.
Hell yeah, because it's definitely gonna take some time with that, but I think it will all be worth it at the end of the day.
Definitely take a lot of time.
But now moving on to this beautiful single cab.
So this single cab is a 2019 F350. This one started and was built all completely in-house. We actually had any level come down and spent a week and we put the lift on. The frame, we bought a whole new frame from Ford. We chopped it and took 16 inches out of the rear and shortened the frame. Then we swapped all the components over as far as the cab and everything goes. But this also has an A-level lift system on it, same as the blue truck. So we chopped the frame, put a short bed on it, did compound setup in the under the hood, did a bunch of color matching, some door poppers.
Yeah, I know. I've seen a lot of people ask on your Instagram.
Yeah, how that was all done.
There's no door handles on here.
No door handles.
So that's definitely different.
Did the interior the same. Did all the diamond stitching on the headliner, the floor, the seats. Had a nice badass console made from Mobile Toys. They did an iPad Pro with a 12W7 in the firing in the rear.
That looks sick.
Then under the hood.
Are those like mini amp steps?
Yeah, we actually took the factory ones and we cut them in half.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Under the hood we added a pusher compound kit, hood stack,
Big old snail. You have any idea what this is making power wise?
I'd say somewhere in the 750 range. Like I said, we don't have injectors on. If we add some injectors, I'm sure we can get some more power out of it.
Yeah.
Then you know, then you got to add a transmission and
yep.
really
the list goes on at that point.
Start digging into it, yeah.
For sure. I mean, this thing, you keep it really, really nice though, especially having a hood stack.
Yeah. I mean, it only has 1,000 miles on it still, so.
Oh wow, so.
Yeah.
That's still brand new, basically.
Yeah, still brand new.
And then the 2020 over here, you're working on this, right?
Yeah, the 2020 we're working on building that for actually King of Cars. King of Cars is the original buyer that we sold the blue truck to. And then King of Cars ended up selling the blue truck to Whistlin Diesels. But like I said, we do a lot of work for King of Cars. And
this is super clean also.
2020 Denali. Full color match, blackout, some wheels and tires.
So, you know, like all this stuff he's talking about, if you guys are, you know, anywhere, because you do all types from all over the US, right?
Yeah. Yep, anywhere, you know, give us a call. We ship around the world. We do everything.
Yeah, so like all this stuff he's showing, if you like this and got a truck, you're trying to get some work done, definitely give him a call and see what can be done. But just wanted to give you a rundown of the shop, a rundown of some of the trucks over here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the bell on for notification. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to enter to win this dually. Make sure to also stay tuned for the rebuild. We will be getting some more clips on this truck as well. So if there's anything you guys do want to see, let me know as well. Had a real fun time seeing all these trucks out here. Big variety, all badass for sure. Once again, shout out to Retro Customs. Definitely check them out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.